Now, I got my tofu all ready to be cooked. I got my cutter because I want it to be just like a hamburger. So we're going to make it round. And you just do it just like that. Once you do that, you can lift this up and you got a perfectly round tofu burger. And you take all of these and you do the same thing with all four of them. You get your round on there straight and push straight down. You don't have to turn it. You don't have to do none of that. Just push it straight down. It's plastic, so it ain't gonna cut your fingers off. And once you do all of these like this, you're ready to go. Alright, now you got the scraps here. We're gonna crumble these up a little later, and that's gonna be good for a little taco meat. Alright, now you got your burgers ready. You get some of this grapeseed oil, spray it on your grill like that there. The grill is nice and hot. Once you put that there, you just take your burgers and just listen to that. Hear that sizzle? Do that like that. You get all four of them on there like that. You let those cook and then you turn them over, cook them on the other side, and you're good to go. Alright, now after about 5 minutes, you're going to turn these over like that there. And let these cook about 5 minutes on the other side. And that grill will make them look real pretty. There you go. You let those cook 5 minutes and you're ready to go. Alright, now once they get done, you take your spatula, get your plate right here. You take all of these yummy looking things up out this plate. Boy, it sure smells good in here. You can smell all that seasoning, and them gonna be some really good burgers on just the bottom. Alright, now once you get that done, we're gonna open our bun up like this. We're gonna get us some of this avocado. It's not guacamole. We just smashed the avocado just so we can make a spread out of it. And that's all we're gonna do. Not trying to make it too thick, because it'll just squeeze all out of your bread. Do one side and you do the other side the same way. You get your slice of this pepper jack cheese here. You put him right there. Then you get, alright, then you take your tofu burger and you put him right there on top of that cheese like that. We know you're right. Alright, now we're going to take a piece of cheddar and put that right on the other side of that tofu patty there. And you take some of your bacon here. Nice and crispy and crunchy. You never know that this is not real bacon. Put you some slices on there like that. And you take your slice of tomato here and put that right on the top of there. And you take your piece of this pretty looking lettuce here. Put that right on there. When you put that top on there, you got a beautiful burger. Alright, I took my burger and added me some of these french fries I got here, cooked in the air fryer. Put a little brisket seasoning on there, and there you go, burgers and fries.